Namaste everyone.
Namaste, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so can we begin? Okay, let's begin the class from the revision of yesterday's class. Okay, can anybody revise the definition of social problems?
Social problems. Any problem of the society that affects its development negatively can be called a social problem. Ma'am, social evil also.
Okay, examples.
Uh, Examples like uh, unemployment, caste, discrimination, poverty, lack of education.
Thank you so much, Marika. So, any problems of the society which affect the development of the society negatively, such kind of problems are considered social problems. Okay, like there are so many problems. Okay, environmental pollution, okay, caste discrimination, okay, smoking, alcoholism, etc. Okay, likewise, Utsa, okay, can you define social evils?
The evils are the evils which are done in the society, done in the society by the citizens living there are called social evils.
Thank you. Similarly, any other interested to share the definition of social evils? Any other? If you, then please raise your hand, or by unmuting yourself also you can. Okay, I want to go with Sadis. Okay, Sadis, can you revise the definition of social evils with
The
examples?
traditions, the traditions and the practices that are morally wrong and punishable is called social evils.
Some of the examples.
Examples: smoking, alcoholism,
Okay,
taking drugs.
alcoholism is alcoholism social a social problem or evil? Is it punishable or not? If anybody
Yes,
drinks alcohol, then is he or she punished or not?
yes.
So it is okay, one of the evil. Thank you. So this, so any bad practices or immoral activities, yeah, which suffers the people are known as social evils, yeah. Any bad practices or immoral activities or illegal activities which suffer the people are known as social evils. Okay, some of the examples just now your friend said, yeah, there are many more. We can see many more examples of social evils in our society, like yeah, child marriage, dowry system. Similarly, okay, robbery, stealing, etc. Yeah, in the same way. Okay, we yesterday we also discussed about many causes of the social problems and evils. Yeah, causes or the reasons. Do anybody remind or revise what are the different causes of social problems and evils? Anybody interested to say the causes of social problems?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, okay, Rahul, you can.
Some causes of social problems are poverty, unemployment, rapid population growth
This
due
much?
to due to due to lack of education, etc.
Thank you so much, Rahul. Okay, likewise, any other want to share about the causes of social problems and evils? Please saying, please raise your hand if you want to try. We saying, can I try? Please raise your hand. Okay, yes, Awas, you can. The causes of social problems and evils.
Some of the causes of social problems and evils are lack of education, poverty, bad impressions of parents or guardians, rapid population growth, unemployment, caste discrimination, um, gender discrimination, etc.
Okay, thank you so much, Awas. So, different causes of social problems and evils are, yeah, lack of education or uneducation, poverty, okay, lack of strict rules or regulations also we can add here. So there are many more causes or the reasons of social problems and evils. Okay, similarly, we also discuss about different impacts. What are the different disadvantages or the impacts of social problems and evils? Okay, let me go with Divaska.
Yes, ma'am.
Divaska, are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It seems you are not feeling well.
No, ma'am.
Okay, are you fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Divaska, then can you say some of the impacts or the disadvantages of social problems and evils?
From social problems our the development of country will not our development of country our development of country will not happen, and from that the other people will be affected from the social problems that the people are doing, and from them also others will be affected. And from the social evils, our country will not progress. Our country will not progress, and only other country will progress. So we should we should end the social evils and the problems.
Okay, thank you so much, Divaska. Likewise, I want to go with Priyansu. Priyansu, are you there? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyansu, are you listening to me? Okay, I think she is managing. Okay, till that, Nunim.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you share with us how do social problems and evils affect in the lives of Nunim? How does different kinds of social problems and evil affect you? What will be the different disadvantages or the impacts of social problems and evils on Nunim's life? You are representing all the students. Okay, can you share?
No, Nancy,
I think she has run away.
Nancy is here. He is not telling anything.
Okay, Nunim, if you are interested, please. We are ready to listen from you. Otherwise, I'll go with another friend.
No, ma'am. I haven't understood that question.
Okay, then Josna will tell. Josna,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the problems of or what will be the effect of social problems and evils in students' life or in our life?
Ma'am, if we have got that social problem, we cannot speak properly, we cannot get good education, and we cannot be good person in our life.
Thank you so much, Josna. Okay, likewise,
Welcome, ma'am.
Pallav. What may be the different disadvantages or effects of social problems and evils in our life? What do you think?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
What will be the disadvantages or the effect of social problems and evils in our life? Like in our society, if there is that alcoholism, smoking, okay, kidnapping, etc. So if there are such kind of problem, then how will they affect us? Pallav, any idea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you interested sharing the impacts of social problems and evils?
Because
Okay, go on. Pallav, we don't have much time, so please do fast. Okay, I think there's problem in Pallav. Okay, Mukta, we want to listen from you. How? Okay, go on, Mukta.
It affects the development of the country and society as well as the development of the individual. And in a bad environment, no one can study well and we can do our work properly. So we should remove social evil and problem from our society.
Thank you so much, Mukta. So these are the different effects or the disadvantages of social problems and evils. Yeah, it affects in our life. Yeah, if in our society there are the evil practices like okay, child marriage, alcoholism, smoking, okay, fighting, yeah, kidnapping, then we cannot give attention in our work or study. So it will affect in our personal life, as well as if people, if there is disturbance in the personal life, then obviously society and country cannot be developed. Okay, so these are the effects or the disadvantages of the social problems and evils in our life. Okay, likewise, I think we also talked about some of the solutions or the measures of social problems and evils. Okay, do anybody want to share what will be the different solutions of this kind of problems and evils? Anybody interested to share? If you, please raise your hand. Then I will let you.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, please raise your hand. Raise your hand if you are interested. No? Okay, Rahul, Abbas, Adam. Okay, first of all, I would like to give chance to Rahul.
For the solutions of such social evil, government should make strict rules and regulations. Government should try to provide provide jobs to all kinds of people, etc.
Okay, similarly, okay, thank you so much, Rahul. Now, Abbas, solution of social problems and evils.
The solution
Abbas.
of social problems and evils
Okay, there is background sound is disturbing us. I think from Dosna, please. Do not do that, okay? Abbas, finish.
The solutions of social evils and problems are by giving information about what could happen after doing those bad habits.
Thank you so much, Abbas. So, for solving different social problems and evils of our society or of the country, we first of all, that is the duty of government to educate all the people, yeah? Because of lack of education, there we can see different problems and evils in our society. Similarly, next one, what would be? There was because of poverty also, yeah? Because of poverty or lack of money or wealth, people involve different kinds of illegal activities. So, it's very necessary to solve the problem of poverty from our society or country. Next one, what would be the next solution? Okay, as soon as possible, we have to be that far from the bad friends, yeah? We should avoid the bad friends, or if we have already such kind of friends, we should try to suggest them, yeah? We should try to suggest them not to involve in such kind of activities or the problems. Okay, similarly, next one, what would be the next solution? Okay, there must be strict rules and regulation, yeah? Because of strict rules and regulation or implementation, we can see different people that people are encouraged to involve in such kind of evil practices or the activities. So it must, government should must apply the strict rules and regulation against social problems and evils. Okay, now let's go. Okay, let me share the slide. Okay, I think there is some problem. Nirajan sir. Okay, today we will discuss some of the exercises or the questions related to social problems and evils. Okay, yesterday we discussed, these are the revision. Okay, I think some of you are I hope most of you studied from the slide which I had kept in the Google Classroom. Please, who is scratching on the slide, stop doing this. It's not good, eh? Please stop doing scratching. These are some of the examples of social problems and evils which we discussed yesterday. Okay, I think now with the discussion of the solutions or the measures of social problem, we have complete this lesson. If you have any queries or questions about this lesson, please, you can ask me now. Then we'll discuss the question answer related to this lesson. Do anybody have any confusion or any question? If you please Unmute and you can ask me. Do anybody have any questions about this lesson? No? Okay, I saw the confusion about the examples of social problems and causes. When we wrote the answer, some of you wrote that instead of writing causes, you gave the examples of social problems and evil. Do not be confused, okay? That examples of social problems and evils are different from causes. Okay, so in that, if you have confusion, then we can discuss. Otherwise, we'll go for the discussion of the some important questions about this lesson. Any question? No? Okay, then let's go. Let's discuss some of the questions which are related to this lesson. Okay, are you seeing the question? Are you seeing the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Raj, can you help me by reading the
Yes, ma'am.
question of the slide?
Why are women discriminated in our society?
Okay, now first of all, I would like to take the views of yours. Okay, what do you think? Why women are discriminated, or why do we see discrimination between male and female, or girls and boys?
Ma'am, because when the girls will be big, they will who are not educated. They think that when the girl will be big, then they will go, but the boys will not go. They will help them. That's why.
It means, Raz mean to say that it means when that in our society there is a traditional belief after the marriage of girls or the female, they have to go in others' house. Yeah. And similarly, there is a traditional belief or thinking that people think female cannot do the works or the job like males. Yeah. Why they are thinking like that? Because of lack of education, yeah, or the traditional belief or lack of education. They think the female, there is no value of educating the girls, yeah. And they think the female cannot do the works or the jobs like male. Because of lack of education, they think like that. So that we can see discrimination between male and female in the society, yeah. In the cities, that was such kind of belief or the thinking is slowly decreasing, yeah. But still in the villages we can find such kind of thinking or the misconception, yeah. Male are greater or they are stronger than female, that there is no value of educating the girls. Such kind of thinking we can still find in villages, yeah, villages of the Nepal. But in cities it's slowly decreasing. Okay, let me go with next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please help me by reading the question of this slide.
Why is giving and taking of dowry considered as a social problem?
What is the view of your Uzan? Why is giving and taking dowry is considered a social problem? Uzan, why do you think? Why it is a social problem? Uzan, do you want to share why giving and taking dowry is considered?
Ma'am, I am confused, ma'am.
Yes, Uzan?
Ma'am, I am little bit confused, ma'am.
I'm not getting your voice properly. Okay, let me go with Smarika.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Smarika, we want to listen the views of yours about why, yes, giving and taking is considered social problem.
Ma'am, because it is an illegal work.
Once again, Smarika.
Because it is illegal work.
Now, Josna, what do you think? Why this evil practice is taken as problem?
Taking down system.
Josna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why giving and taking dowry is considered a problem of the society?
Ma'am, you can describe the question again, ma'am.
Okay, once read the question from the slide. Why giving and taking dowry is called social problem? Why is it a social problem? Confused?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's okay then. Okay, giving and taking dowry is considered social problem because it creates very dangerous situation. Yeah. Yes, that what we can see or we can listen the news about the what dowry system. The what on the day of marriage, many that girls are rejected because of that one not giving the enough dowry. That one demanded by the bridegroom or the boys. Many females are born or they are killed because of dowry. Yeah. Yes or no? So it is giving suffering to the people. Okay, mainly in Tora region, this is very that was dangerous situation. That were many females are born, they are killed, they are murdered, or they are beaten because of not bringing the enough dowry. So it is considered or taken as one of the major problem of our country. Okay, Josna understood. Okay, again, can you say then why is it taken the social problem of our society?
Ma'am, because ma'am, but
Sorry, yeah, क्या है Josna, you are not
yes,
attentive. I know you are giving, you are talking or busy in talking with other. I think.
ma'am, that Monim is disturbing me.
Please don't do it. Otherwise, you will unable to understand. Okay, do you
ma'am.
have confusion about this question?
Yes, ma'am, you can describe me again.
Okay, Rahul will describe again. Listen very carefully now. Okay, Josna.
Giving and taking of dowry considered a social problem because it is very dangerous evil. If the girl cannot give the enough money to the boys, then the girl is murdered or burnt or killed. So it is very dangerous activity. So it should not be given, and it should not be given and took dowry.
Thank you. Rahul, understood? Now, Josna, now have you understood? Okay, likewise, here's another question. Okay, Rosan, can you please read the question of the slide? From the slide?
What is child abuse?
Okay, do anybody know about child abuse? Have you listened this word before? What do you think? What is child abuse?
Ma'am, I think kidnapping the child.
Okay, that's also one of the example of child abuse. Any other? Okay, Smarika is raising hand.
Ma'am, can I tell first?
Yes, Divaska.
That beating the child and it's like letting the child to work and be like that begging, making him or her.
Okay, thank you so much. That's also another example of child abuse. Okay, now Rosan is raising the hand, then Smarika. Smarika's turn will come. Okay, Rosan.
Not taking proper care of the child and not giving education in the correct time.
Once again, can you repeat, Rosan?
Not taking care of the child properly and not giving education in the time when they need.
Okay, yes, that's also true. Thank you so much. Okay, now Ismarika, it's your turn.
Yes, not letting child to be educated and letting them do work and telling them to carry load and yeah, ma'am.
Thank you. That's also example of child abuse. So yeah, that mistreating child, yeah, the mentally, physically, or sexually, if there is a mistreatment or misbehavior to the children, such kind of activity is known as child abuse. Yeah, the mistreatment or misbehavior to the children or the mental mistreatment, physical or sexual. Yeah, we can see that in our society many child are forced to work, or they are doing, they are forced in different that what illegal activities. We can see also different the rape cases of the children, yeah, and the beating the children, yeah, or the give sexual harassment to the children. Such kind of activities are known as child abuse, yeah, the mistreatment or the misbehavior which are done that on the children are known as or is known as child abuse. Okay, have you understood? The mistreatment, the mental, physical, or the sexual mistreatment to the children or misbehavior to the children is or are known as child abuse. Okay, understood? There's also that what a very important topic we have to know, because in our society that we are listening very that what many news of the that what rape cases of the children, yeah, or the beating the children. So we have to be careful about it. Okay. Okay. Likewise, let's go. Let's discuss another question. We have very less time. Okay. Why is alcoholism? Alcoholism is a social problem. Why is alcoholism social problem? Why it is taken as problem? Okay, Diksha. Now we want to listen from you. Why do you think why
Yes, ma'am.
alcoholism is social problem?
Alcoholism is a social problem because it affects the development. The children in the society will learn from them, and it will harm their personal development also. So it is a social problem.
Thank you so much, Diksha. That's also true. Okay, Olaika, please unmute yourself. Olaika, are you listening to me? Okay, I think there's a problem. Olaika, okay, it is taken or alcoholism is taken as the example of social problem, yeah, because when that word, yeah, when people drink alcohol, they start to fight, yeah, because of alcoholism it creates that word fighting situation, and because of that there may be the different accident, yeah, that fighting creates a accident like what murdering, killing, or it also breaks the peace of the society. Because of it there is a violence in the society, yeah, it disturbs the society. So it is also taken as one of the social problem of the society, because it creates fight, it may creates the different accidents like murdering, killing, yeah, because such kind of in this situation people are unconscious, they can do any undesirable activity which create very difficult situation or bad situation in the society. So it is also taken one of the example of social problem. Okay, understanding? So time has almost finished. Please all of you try to do the exercise or the assignment or question I'm going to give, otherwise you'll forget, yeah, whatever we are discussing in the class.